Hello coders, this is Vikram and today I am going to check if the string is pangram or not. So this is the classic problem of LeetCode, problem number 1832. It is a very easy problem, so let's understand it. So first word, that is pangram, what it means. So pangram means a sentence where every letter of the English alphabet appears at least once. So the string is called pangram. So here we have given a string and containing only lower cases, and we have to return true if sentence is a pangram. What it means? If sentence has only all the alphabets, then we can say it is a pangram. So here is an example. A very big string is given, and now we have to check whether the string is pangram or not. If it contains all the alphabet from A to Z, then we can say it's a pangram. If it's not containing, then it's not a pangram. Like the another example here, sentence equals to LeetCode, or it returns false because it doesn't contains all the characters, means all 26 characters of English alphabet. Or what the definition of pangram said? A pangram is a sentence where every letter of the English alphabet appear at least one. We need at least one appearance of this. So this is the called pangram. So what our logic is, we make a string alpha नाम से. So this is the string, and we write down all the alphabet from A to Z. Then we use a string built-in method that's called dot contains. We make a loop, we iterate on the string or this string, iterate on the alpha string. So for integer I equals to 0 to I is less than alpha dot length, yeah, means 26, and then I plus plus. If we find out that a string doesn't contain any element, understood the line, the string contains alpha dot character. If the string str contains alpha dot character, let's suppose we choose character A. If it's contain A, then okay. If B, then okay. C, D. In the same way, we check all 26 character, the string containing or not. If it is containing, then return true. If it is not containing, this is the not negation, not containing, then return false, right? If the str or the string does not contains the all the alphabets, then we return false. That means the string is not containing all the alphabet, so it's not a pangram. If it containing all the alphabet, then we will return true. So this is the problem, and here is the solution. Thank you. Thanks for watching.